Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change the key battery on this style of Mercedes fob. So first off, we're going to go over here to the back where you're going to hit this button right here, remove the spare key. And then we're going to hit the button again. Might be hard to press with your thumb. And then we'll take this back cover off right here. And then there's going to be a little tray right here with the battery. So then we're going to just use our finger, pull this out. This is going to be a CR 2032 battery right here. So then we're going to replace it with a new one. So the letter's facing down right here on the CR 2032, and then we're going to put it in just the way it came out. So with the bottom right here face down, just like that. Push it all the way in. Then we're going to replace our cover back on just like that. You'll hear it snap. Then we'll hear our spare key snap. There you go.